Hello everyone, this is Business Person where today again, guys. We are selling Crash 300. All right, so I'll just quickly show you the analysis for Crash 300 index and why we are selling. Remember, like I always tell you since last year, I do say that anytime you're trading, you notice that the trend of the market is pulling down. Then the next thing for you to do is you have to know the resistance and the support. Now let me show you something on H4 time frame. And on H4 time frame, you will notice that we're having a breakout on H4 time frame. You see, we're having a breakout here. All right, so definitely we're gonna have this with time. We're gonna have this. We're gonna have it like this, that is gonna go down. All right, so now let's go back to lower time frame of 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, so now on 15 minutes time frame we are having a strong support at this point here, so which we can actually say that it's not gonna go up from here. All right, so it's not gonna go up from here. So that's why we are having a resistance at this point here. You can see it crashes down, and as we are having this hop now, all right, now if we should go back to a lower time frame of 5 minutes, you see, so we're gonna have it it's gonna keep going down. All right, so a lot of people were scared when it's going up. All right, so the time it took for any spike signal, all right, probably if you are expecting the signal to spike up or you're expecting the signal to start spiking down, is gonna be shorter to what the time it took for it to go up. All right, now if you should go on 15 minutes time frame, you can see, right, see exactly what I was talking of, right? So it has taken, now let's go back to 1 minute time frame now, so that you can see what I meant. You can see it has happened. All right, now on 1 minute time frame, you see it has taken more minutes. All right, now if we should be counting, this is 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 6 minutes, all right, 7 minutes. All right, you can see this is the seventh candle from when I was counting from up, right? So this is the seventh candle. But you notice that when we have a spike down here, all right, it's just 1 minute. It took 1 minute for this spike to come down. All right, now if we should have another spike down from this point, it means it depends on how longer the spike is gonna be. All right, it can decide to give us something similar like this. All right, so in probably in the next third minutes, all right, you can see it has been spending like the second minute is what is spending up here. All right, so it can give us something cool. It's gonna spike down. It's gonna spike down. I'm 101% sure about this. All right, it's gonna spike down. Let's give it 2 minutes. You see, it's gonna spike down, and when it comes in profit, I'm gonna close all my trades for today. I'm done. All right, and you see the lot size we use here is 0.50. Then I have another lot size of 0.80 here, and the reason is because I have been in profit of from the point of let's calculate. All right, if you just want to know the amount here, the update of this application MT5 has make it easier for you to do your math, for you to do your calculation. It's not gonna stress your head. So now you just click on this, then you now click on the TP. All right, now when you now click on the TP, all right, at the menu it's displayed below. All right, now you're gonna drag, we clicked on the lot size of 0.50, which is the cell here. All right, this is what we use. All right, from the long arrow, then when we click on it, all right, then it will display this. It's going down, so we click on TP, not on SL. Now if you want to calculate the SL, just click on the SL, and probably you want to set your SL at this point. All right, So when it hits the SL, so it's gonna be minus, you see, it's gonna be minus 5.82 US dollars. That's what you're gonna lose. All right, if it hits that TP at the price of 8332. All right, that's what you're gonna lose. But on this note, we are going for the TP. All right, and the TP, now let's say we set our TP at this point, then you're gonna click on the arrow after the TP button. Then when you click on it, it's modifying. Then you're gonna click on modify, and you can see the TP. The price at which we set the TP is at 3840.11. All right, so automatically the price has been picked from on the chart. Then we click on modify, boom, we're there. All right, you can see it has been set at 3840.11. all right, so now if this particular price is now going up to hit the TP here, you can see it has turned to SL, right? Because I use the SL button. So if it's gonna hit here, it means that the trade here of lot size of 0.55, all right, of lot size of 0.55, then it's gonna take this profit at this price, you see, at 17.68 US dollars. All right, that's why that's where the TP is gonna be. And the reason why we are having it as SL, actually, boom, we have it here. You can see the spike. It has spiked down. That's awesome. Right, the reason why we have this as SL here at 17.68 US dollars is because the price is below this TP. Remember, I clicked on TP, and it's because the price is there. Now if I should adjust it down, then it will now change to the SL will now change to TP. You see, TP. Now let me cancel everything. Now let me delete this. All right, let me delete this. All right, so what I was saying is that it's we actually come in profit. All right, see, we have the spike down here. Then we can lock this. We can lock this to more spike will soon happen. More spike will soon happen. All right, we can lock this to give it the TP. Now let's go for the TP. Let's draw it down. That's the TP there. All right, so now when the spike now gets to the TP point, you can see the TP price at 3801.691. all right, when we have another spike down at this point, all right, it's gonna TP. all right, in chart here, and I can decide to remove all this. So I'm actually gonna wait for another spike for it to come down. This is what we are anticipating for, something like this, or probably something below this point. So it's what we're looking at. All right, so now let me remove this. Boom. Sorry, let me remove this. I'm gonna remove all this shit. TP, you're out. Yeah, we have a clean chart now. Yeah, I'm gonna remove this too. Is it TP or SL? SL. I've removed everything now. So now we have a clean and clear chart. So I'm expecting one more spike to come down at the point of the arrow. When the spike comes down, then I'm gonna close everything. All right, so now if you want to check the price of what we've made with this price here, now when you just click on the sell at 0.55, when I click on it, then I'll click on now let me click on the SL. Then I drag it down at this current price. So we're having 27. Yeah, on this current price we are having 27.6. you see, we are having 27.6. all right, so that's what we're having, 27.6. so currently this first entry here of 0.55 is giving us $27 each position. All right, and this is going in loss. 0.8 is going in loss for now, so I'm just gonna wait a bit for the spike to spike again. Then when I have one more spike down, just one more spike, when I have it down, then I'm gonna close this. Because it's getting late already. The time is 7:55. Boom. Oh, the spike is not as long as what I'm expecting. But I'm gonna take it like this. But more spike is definitely gonna happen. It's gonna happen to the point at which the arrow is. I think I should wait. Let me check it on 5 minutes time frame. Boom. This is a downtrend. More spike is gonna happen. What is tempting me to wait? It's easy to spot this on 1 minute time frame. It's gonna go down. What else am I waiting for? I think I should pause this video then come back. That's greed. You're smelling greed, right? Yes, that's greed. And one thing is that if this current trade of 0.8 should go in loss to this side, I will. Whoa! Awesome! I told you all. Awesome! That happened. Awesome. What I want to say before now is that if this should go in loss from this point, from this current price, it gets to this point here at price of 3850, it means that I will break even. Probably I will be in loss. All right, guys. So this is it, Business Plus, and as you can see, this is a live trade. Awesome. I'm super excited, and let's check what this has given us. Let's check from top here. Let me click on SL or TP. Then let's take it to the current price. We have 36.77 US dollars. Awesome. Now let me go for this to check what this has given us. Currently, we are having 13.47 US dollars. That's awesome. It's still gonna go down, but no more greed. Signing out. This is Business Plus. So guys, please, I just want you to subscribe. Check the description below. I want you to subscribe to the Telegram channel to pick up free signals. Bless up, guys. Love you all. Bye.